Hi everyone and welcome to TechStream's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix FaceTime and iMessage activation errors on iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So here we'll show you some ways to fix this error. The first way is simply check your internet when you open the FaceTime app or maybe the message app, or maybe in the settings when you enable the option for iMessage or FaceTime, you will see the activation error. If you see that, simply maybe check your internet, and from here, if you're not maybe your Wi-Fi is not working, you can connect to data, or maybe both are not working, you can simply maybe go for the airplane mode. You can simply turn on the airplane mode and wait for some seconds, and after some moments simply turn it back on, and this will reconnect you to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. And after that, simply go to FaceTime or the message app and see if they are working. And if they are not, you can go for the second option. You can do is simply the uh, to restart your iPhone 14. For that, simply hold the side button and volume up button until you see the slide to power off. Simply power off your iPhone and wait for some seconds and turn it back on and see if it solves the FaceTime and iMessage activation errors. And if it doesn't, you can go for the third fix. The third fix is simply disable the FaceTime or and iMessage and enable them again and see if it fixes your problem. So for that, first go to the settings app. Now in the settings app, scroll down and find the option for FaceTime. Here in front of FaceTime, simply tap on the toggle here and disable the FaceTime and wait for some moments and enable it back again and again. And again, do the same thing with the iMessage. Go back to settings, tap on messages, and here simply disable iMessage and wait for some seconds, and enable it back again. And when you enable it, now you can check whether they are working or not. When you open FaceTime, you will see the options here that if you want to be reached at FaceTime at these addresses, you have the caller IDs, this kind of thing. I think this fixes your problem. So after that, you see these options, when you just set it up for yourself, you can go to FaceTime and see if you can make FaceTime calls, or maybe if you can simply send iMessages. Again, if it doesn't fix your problem, you can simply go for a software update. Software update can or may fix the iMessage or FaceTime activation error. So to see if your iOS software is up to date, you can go to settings, and in settings app, simply scroll down, tap on general. Now in general settings, tap on software update, and in here wait for some moments to that your iPhone check uh, for the new software update. Now as you see, my software is up to date. If your software is not up to date, if you see as a new software update, simply download and install it and see if it fixes the activation error in iMessage or FaceTime. So if it doesn't, you can go for the last option. This may solve this error. For that, go to settings app. Now in the settings app, simply scroll down, tap on general. Now in general settings, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now in here, tap on reset. Now simply select reset all settings, and this will ask you to enter your passcode. Simply enter your passcode and you'll see a pop-up that confirm, and tap on reset all settings. When you tap on it, this will reset all settings, and you need to remember that no data or media will be deleted. This will simply reset the settings, and after the settings are reset to its default mode, you can go and check whether the FaceTime or iMessage is working or not on your iPhone 14. So that's it. These are ways to fix iMessage and FaceTime activation errors on iPhone 14 series. So thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.